Thank you. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். அந்தருக்கே நமஸ்காரம். I am very happy to be here today to share the stage with all of you from Telangana and to meet the people who've come here from Telangana, because like in Tamil Nadu, we are fighting for the rights of the people, rights of the constitution, rights to keep this country as one, and we continue to fight for the BC backward community rights. We are here together. Telangana and Tamil Nadu will fight together for the rights of our people and will continue to do so. I am sure all of you remember that it is in the Justice Party's government that the first amendment to the Constitution, when we were together as one state, that we brought the first Constitution amendment asking, seeking and making sure that we, not just the Constitution, we brought the first bill in the Assembly reserving rights and reservation for the backward communities. The communal GO was passed by the Justice Party government in Tamil Nadu. And today it is a proud moment that our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, has passed 42% reservation for the backward communities in your assembly. I am also happy to be here because my father, Dr. Kalaignar Karunanidhi, had ensured that we have 50% reservation for the backward communities of Tamil Nadu. Today Tamil Nadu has 69% reservation. I think the whole country has to go forward, move towards it to ensure that we have enough reservation for the backward communities, not just in education. We have to ensure today how many backward community, how many Dalits, how many Muslims, how many minorities are there as judges in the Supreme Court. How many IAS officers are there? Hardly any. You can count them on one finger, one hand. So today, this moment where we come to Delhi to make sure that the government here listens to us, make sure that the change will go forward from here. We will stand together and fight as one. And today is a very important day, especially for all parliamentarians, because we have to go to parliament and fight for the rights of our minorities. Because the amendment bill has been brought for the consideration and passing. The Telangana CM, the Tamil Nadu CM has passed a resolution in the assembly opposing it. And the Telangana CM, I know that he has been vehemently opposing this bill. The Congress party has been vehemently opposing this bill. Today, the India Alliance comes together once again to stand strong and stand as one and oppose this bill. We will show this nation and the world that India will not give up on its minorities. We will stand for our rights. We will protect our constitution. Thank you and all the best to all of you. Thank you.